Hello student, we are in class 6 exercise 2.2 question number 5. First we read the question. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liter of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost is 44 rupees per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So this is the question. So in this question the important information is petrol cost, that is 44 rupees per liter. So you can write here cost of 1 liter petrol is 44 rupees, that we note it down. Cost of 1 liter petrol is 44 rupees. And after that, in this question they are asking how much did he spend, means how much money spent. So you can write here total money spent on petrol equals to. So in this question we have information 40 liters of petrol on Monday. So you can write cost of 40 liter of petrol plus he filled the tank with 50 liter of petrol after that. So you can write cost of 50 liters of petrol. You can construct statement according to you, but it should be correct. Then after this is our equation we have created. So cost of 40 liters of petrol, you decide first. Cost of 1 liter is given, so how you will count 40 liter? Simply 40 into 44. So here cost of 1 liter is 44. So cost of 40 liter petrol is 40 into 44. So as we are counting total, okay, so plus is there. Then cost of 50, 1 liter is 44, so it is into 50. So in this way we have arranged the number so that calculation will be easy. Now you check here which number is repeated. This one is repeated, okay, 44 is repeated, so kept it common. So we are keeping 44 common. Uncommon number you write 40, then sign middle you write. Here uncommon number is 50. So you solve bracket number. So here it is 44 as it is into 40 plus 50 is how much? 90. Got that? 0 as it is 9 4, it is 36. Then 9 into 4 is again 36 plus carry 3. Okay, so this is our answer. So you observe friend, we solve in easy way because we arrange the number like that. So I suggest you while solving this you can arrange the number properly so that calculation will be easy. Now we will go in the next question, question number 6. First you read the question. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to hotel in the morning and 68 liter of milk in the evening. If the milk cost rupees 45 per liter, so how much money is due to the vendor? So here also we have to count the total cost. First you write given information, cost of 1 liter milk is how much? 45 rupees. Then here total cost of milk equals to, what you will write? 32 liter of milk in the morning. So you can write here cost of 32 liters of milk in morning. You can write complete statement also plus. After that 68 liter of milk in the evening. 68 liters of milk in evening. So we have to find that total cost. So we will get answer. In the information, 1 liter milk cost is 45 rupees. So what about the 32 liter cost? So 32 into 45 plus sign. What about the cost of 68 liter? 68 into 45. Finally, you keep the common number, which is 45. Write uncommon number 32 plus sign in middle, and then uncommon number is 68. So 68, 45 into 68 plus 32, how much? 8 plus 2 10, 6 plus 3 9, then 1 carries 100. So finally it is 4,500 rupees. Okay, this is our answer. So total money spent is 4,500. So if you arrange the number like this, in the both example I arrange the number, for that I written their formula also. So if you do like that, your time will save and you can solve easily also. Now we go in the next question 7. Match the following. So in the question number 7, match the following, they have given 3 combination. First one you check carefully. 2 numbers are given, 425 into 136 equals to 425 into 136 is written like 6 plus 30 plus 100, nothing but 100 plus 30 plus 6. So you see this one, in the first one it is matching with just like A into, you can say B plus C plus D. Then you can say here it can be written like A into B plus A into C plus A into D. So it is just like distributive property that we learn. So first answer is what? Here the first answer is, answer of first is C, because it is the distributive property of multiplication over addition, because here multiplication is there over addition. Second one, 2 into 49 into 50, so it is nothing but 2 into 50 into 49. So here we use commutative property because we rearrange the number. So here is commutative, and it is commutative under multiplication because multiplication sign is there. So commutative property under multiplication. So second answer is A. Then third one is again we rearrange the number 2005, here 20, so we rearrange their position, we change their position, and here it is plus sign, so it is commutative under addition. So third answer is B. So I hope friend this exercise you understood. Thanks for watching. Thank you.